Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class.
Hello kids, how are you? Yesterday you learned line segment ray. Today I will teach you types of straight lines and curved lines. Are you ready children? Look at the board. What we call this line? Horizontal line. What is this? Horizontal line. Horizontal line as sleeping line. As now. See what is this? Standing line or vertical line. As this is sleeping line or horizontal line. This is standing line or vertical line. What is this? This is slope line or slant line. What is this? Slope line or slant line. What is this? Curved. This is called curved line. What is this? Curved line. See? Horizontal line, vertical line, slant line, curved lines. See children? Horizontal line, vertical line, slant line, curved lines. Horizontal line. Vertical line. Slant line. As curved lines. Because two lines I draw. Understood? See? Horizontal line, vertical line, slant line, curved lines. Horizontal lines. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right or from right to left are called horizontal line. See. See, sleeping lines. We'll draw from left to right or right to left. These sleeping lines we will call horizontal line. This is called horizontal line. What is that? Sleeping lines drawn from left to right or from right to left are called horizontal lines. Children, write down in the classwork. Horizontal lines. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right or from right to left are called horizontal lines. Write it in the classwork. Next, vertical lines. Standing lines drawn from top to bottom or bottom to top are called vertical line. See once. Top to bottom. Bottom to top. These lines we call vertical lines. This is called standing line. As this is standing line. This is sleeping line. As sleeping lines we will call horizontal line. Standing lines we will call vertical line. Understood children? See here. Standing lines drawn from top to bottom or bottom to top are called vertical lines. Write in the classwork. Write properly. I need handwriting I want. Draw proper the lines. slant lines. Sloping lines are called slanting lines. Sloping lines are called slanting lines. See once, look at the board. Sloping lines. As it is slope or not? Sloping line. See, like this. Sloping line are called slant line. Write in the classwork, children. Slant lines. Sloping lines are called slanting lines. See children, what is this? Horizontal line. What is this line? Horizontal line. What is this line? Vertical line. What is this line? Vertical line. What is this? Slant line. As you learned three types of lines. Straight lines. What you learned? In the straight lines, three types. What are they? Horizontal line, vertical line, slant line. Okay children, what you learned? You learned three types of lines in the straight lines. What are they? Horizontal line, vertical line, slope line or slant line. As now you should learn curved lines. Curved lines. Lines that are not straight are called curved lines. See, this is straight figure. No, this is curved figure. As see children. As see this. These are curved shapes. As see, lines that are not straight are called curved lines. What is that? Lines that are not straight are called curved lines. Should write down children, write in the classwork. Curved lines. Lines that are not straight are called curved lines. See children, straight lines and curved lines help us to make a closed figure and open figure. I will show you how to draw open figure and closed figure. See once. What is this? Open figure. As see, it's closed. No, it is open figure. This is also open figure. See, what is this? Open figures. What is that? Open figures. Now, what is this children? This is closed figure. See? Closed figure. Figures. How many? 1, 2, 3. Can make like this. Anything. See, this is closed figure. This is open figure. Understood children? Curved lines and straight lines help us to do closed and open figure. Yes or no? See here. In these curved lines are there or not? Curved lines. Here is there, here is there, here is there. As straight line. See, sleeping line is there, standing line is there. Yes or no? Slanting line also is there. We use straight lines and curved lines. Make a figure. Yes or no children? Children, take out your workbook and open page number 2. Fill in the blanks. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right or from right to left are called dash.
A straight line or a curved line is a dash figure. A dash has a starting point but no end point. A dash has a starting point but no end point. Very short answer questions. Is a line segment a part of a line? Yes or no, you should write. Which figure can be extended only on one side? Does a line have a breadth? Short answer questions. How many types of straight lines are there? Name them. State whether the following figure are open or closed. Which type of figure is this? You should write down. Okay, both figures. You check the both figures and write the names. Which one is open, which one is closed. Okay. Children, this is your homework. Write page number 2 in workbook. Write page number 2 in workbook. Okay. We will meet again next class. Bye.